Yeah, the kitchen fire.
Takes my breath away.
Hey y'all, it's me. I'm Lachey. Welcome back to my channel. Alright. So, we're about to leave from Pittsburgh, but I wanted to give y'all a house tour because the house is crazy, dumb, bomb, stupid, wherever you from, wherever you, it's that. So I want to give y'all this quick little house tour before we leave. What? Talk louder?
Yes.
Do the whole thing over?
Jesus Christ.
Before we leave, I wanted to give y'all this tour and just walk y'all around so that y'all can see it, just in case y'all wanted it. So let's go. We outside right now on the deck and patio deck, whatever. I don't even know what it's called. This grass, this not real grass. Derek said this feel like carpet. Yes, thirst trap. Sitting area right here. This is a fire pit under here. We used it. I inserted it. That's heavy. I ain't looking at it. I inserted a clip of us at the fire pit.
Nobody believes me because I was
The
on
hardest part in the relationship is
They're like, fuck the cricket.
right.
Wait, no.
Don't get my
Time
phone.
out. Where's the cricket?
I'm gonna assume that that's a chair, and then a little dining table right here. There's a grill over there. I don't know what none of this stuff is. TV, all that stuff. This is cute. This is real big. And then go up the steps. When you go up here, you go inside the house. You be in the kitchen. Got a little cute little rocking chair right here. Table and chairs right here. That's it. And then sliding door to go into the kitchen. Alright, so this is the front, what's this, the entryway, walkway, foyer, I don't know what it's called, anyway. So, you have your living room right here with another TV on the wall, right here, the little couch and this little table. This is cute. Everything in this house is really low. Like, it's cute, but it's low. With this really nice chandelier with the shades, all the shades down here are electric, so you just press a button and they go up. I ain't gonna mess with it though. But this is a really nice 10-seater dining room table. Real nice, real nice, real nice. This is the best part of the house. Because if you know me, you know what I like to do. This is the little wine cooler, wine cellar thing. They got all of these. You can turn the lights on in here, like the lights change colors in here. I think it's on this side, babe. Yeah, see? Wine lights.
It's on both sides.
Oh, well, I pressed it, it didn't come on, but. You got all the different wines. They real drinkers because they got Pinnacle in here. I don't know who the hell drink Pinnacle. That's just nasty. But this is really cute. Like I would have this in my house with a blue light. And then right here you got for like the Wi-Fi or whatever. Instead of having to type the Wi-Fi in, you could just scan it with your phone, and it'll put the Wi-Fi automatically on your phone. That's real cute. I want one of those in my house. Kids table. And then this kitchen is very, 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 very cute. So you got double, well, we thought this was double ovens, and then we thought this was the microwave at first. The whole time it's a convectional oven, however you say it, and the microwave is right here. We went a whole day not knowing that we had a microwave, and look at this, look, open, it's a drawer. Either I ain't never seen shit before or something, because I ain't never seen that. That's fancy. Kitchen countertops with all of this. This stove is a smart stove. It won't cut on unless you put a pot on top of it. All your drawers and stuff, they've had it already stocked.
It closes on its own.
Sink, double sink, dishwasher right here, trash can right here, and then they had cups and all this stuff, and then you got all these like little KitchenAid like teapots and stuff like that. That's really nice. And then this big old refrigerator and freezer over here. Ooh, it's a nice refrigerator. All right, and they got 5 seats on the island. It's a lot of seating in here. Like it's a lot of people can be in this house. So down there's a garage. They let you use the garage if you have a car. But the hallway, the street, the alley right there is too skinny. I ain't trust it. cleaning stuff right here. Oh, it was toilet paper down here the whole time. Extra, this is a half bath right there. And then this is the doors to the basement, but it's locked. We can't go in there. That's the only part of the house that you can't go in. All right, come with me. We're gonna go upstairs. I can show you the rest of the house. And then, okay, so this is the second floor. We're gonna start back here. This is, I think they call this the TV room or something like that. I don't know, but it's a little section right there to eat. And then this couch is cute, but it hurt. It's like quicksand. You sit in it and look. Is it gonna do it for me?
It's not the one, it's this one.
Oh, it's this one? Okay. Cause this ain't comfortable. I think it's like a beanbag or something, but and then I'm old. Why is it so low to the floor? You gotta do all that to get up. These damn things are low to the ground. All right, so TV. This about a 75-inch TV, maybe bigger. Remote right here. No cabinets or drawers. This is cute right here, and then they got a lot of stuff for kids in here. So they got like a little kitchen and play area for kids to play right here. Every room has a blanket thing. And then, oh, it's locked. This room also has a patio. So it has like tables up here. And then all of that down there. It's a lot of patios and it's a lot of like outdoor space in this house, which is really cute. We sat out here one night and just listen to music. And just chill. You gonna go to the bedroom?
Put that in the YouTube video, Shay.
Every room was 66 degrees. Cold. Who living in a house that's 66 degrees? Nah. No sir, no ma'am. Alright. Another vanity right here. Let me turn this light on. Oh, it's top. Oh, that's cute. It's better than the other lights. Bed, nightstand. I like this Moet picture. That's so cute. I don't know what this is. I want to say, I'm not even gonna guess. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Alright. Hooks. Oh, that's a nice size closet. Closet. This was my niece's room. Ooh. In here, the bedroom right here and the bedroom across, they share a bathroom. Look. This is one sink. Full body mirror right here. Ooh, what's this? This ain't cuter than that one. This one got drawers and stuff. That one just got a cabinet. What's this stuff?
Do me a favor. Shut the fuck up.
What is this? Oh, shampoo, body and facial wash. Okay, I guess this stuff that people left in here. It's shampoo, conditioner. That's nice. Wait, look at this. I left my heart in so many places. Can we take this? Can we take it? Alright, let's see. In here, shower and toilet is in there. It has its own little door so you can close that. I'm done. Whenever I find the light switch, I'll show y'all this room. Alright. So, this is another bedroom. Another closet right here. Oh, this closet not as sweet as the other closet. This is a regular little kid's closet. Alright. Bed, nightstands, same thing. That's a cute little dresser right here, but this room has a crib. So if you got a baby, this is your room. Ain't that cute? That's so nice and thoughtful. These people must have kids. Now we're gonna go upstairs where the master bedroom is. So this is the master suite. Look. All of these, like I said, this house is a smart house, right? So you got all these lights, like the shades, the chandelier, master bed. Good night, I guess, turns off everything. I don't know what any of these lights do in here. Oh, okay. Front lights turns on the recess lights, but with this back lights, recess lights. Okay. Oh, chandelier, duh, dummy. All right. So this is the master bedroom. Full length mirror right here. Shady because they the only ones that got a full length mirror in their room. What size is that TV, babe?
I don't know. About 50 maybe.
Okay. Little sitting room with the TV
45,
right there.
50.
Nightstands on each side. This is my favorite part of this room. Where the lights? Closet lights. Look at this. Look at the closet. Just look at the dang closet. Can you imagine yourself in here and just like, oh, let me grab me a shirt from right here, let me grab my socks from my drawer, let me sit down with some little wine, you know what I'm saying? All that's missing in here is a TV. This is mine, I put a TV right here. Oh, this would be my whole closet, baby. You wouldn't be able to put nothing in here. And then bathroom through the closet. Oh, towels and stuff is in here. Towels in here. Oh, cleaning stuff. Vanity on this side, and then turn around, you got double sinks with the little washcloths and stuff. This is really cute. It just needs like, this little vanity right here is really cute. It just needs like better light. Cause, ew. Shower is through here, and no, the shower light right here. Oh, it's another shower light button over there. Oh, fancy. Okay, so shower got a bench, and then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shower heads in there. 5 shower heads in the shower. You got those 4 right there, and then it's like a little detachable joint over there. Fun for the girls. Cute. Toilet behind me, y'all need to know it. Y'all see the toilet. Alright. And then, ooh, another good thing about this room is they're the only bedroom that has a outdoor little deck thing. Look. You know, come outside, sit out here, enjoy the There's always no cushions on this seat. Oh, okay.
The cushions go inside there.
Oh, I thought it was a cooler because it's plugged up. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I ain't even know that. So this is cute. Okay, so now we're about to go to what was our room. There's only 2 rooms up here. This house has 4 floors. It's a basement, the main floor. Second floor got 2 bedrooms, and up here got 2 bedrooms. So, come on. Okay. In here is laundry. We could use it if we need to. And I don't know where the lights are, but you can tell it's like blankets, and they got this house is really like kid friendly. They got a lot of like baby stuff, kid stuff. All the stairs have baby gates on them. So they got the infant detergent, regular detergent, the iron, extra sheets, extra towels, all that. Wash and dry. We could use this whenever we wanted to. And I have never opened this door, so I don't know what is in here. Oh, furnace and an iron board. Nothing. Okay. Here's our room. So these 2 rooms up here are the only rooms that had TVs because us and my sister-in-law, we the only ones that sleep with TVs on. So we needed a TV. So we got our TV right there. Bed right here. Little sitting area. Look, y'all. It's cute, right? Reading a book. I'm I actually took some pictures right here. Ooh. You got your nightstands on each side of the TV. Oh, look, this right here. The remotes, all of the remotes come on this little thing right here because it's a smart TV, right? So you press watch and then KBox 1, KBox 2, Apple TV. And so I go to Apple TV because I've been watching Hulu all the whole time I've been here. And of course it don't want to cut on for me right now. But you'll be able to watch TV, and they only have two. They have two cable boxes in the house, but all the TVs share them. So if somebody is watching ESPN on cable box 1 and you want to watch BT on cable box 1, that's me able to. Because whatever TV's on cable box 1, that's what's going to be on TV. Little vanity right here. I like this light. Oh, I thought this hello was stuck on here. It's not. But let's see. This light, I wish it was like either taller or like lights up here, because if you really do your face and stuff, this ain't no light for that. Is this a trash can? Wait, this was a trash can here all the time?
It's not a trash can. I thought it was his footstool.
Well, then why the top come off? I think it's a trash can. Alright.
Or somewhere to storage things other than trash.
What you gonna put it in?
I don't know.
Leave a thank y'all for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did, because this house was really, really nice. I'm gonna leave the link to this house in the description box. And that's it. Stay tuned for my next video. Alright, peace out.